If you're editing in Premiere Pro and your timeline is full of annoying empty spaces, this video is going to save you a ton of time. Today, I'll show you how to delete all gaps in Premiere Pro using two simple methods, including the fastest way to remove gaps and shift everything together cleanly. And if you've ever seen a delete option grayed out, I'll also show you exactly why that happens and how to fix it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips and editing shortcuts. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about the quickest method for removing a single gap. This is useful when you only have one empty space in your timeline and you want to close it without messing up the rest of your edit. To do this, move your mouse over the empty gap in the timeline, then right-click directly on that blank space. From the menu that appears, click Close Gap. Premiere Pro will instantly remove that empty space and bring the clips together. This method is simple and effective, but keep in mind that it works one gap at a time. So if your timeline has a lot of empty spaces scattered throughout, this can take a while. That's when the second method becomes much more useful. For faster gap removal, use Ripple Delete. This is the best option when you want to remove a gap and automatically shift everything after it to the left. To do this, click the empty space in the timeline to select the gap. Then press Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. Premiere Pro will remove that gap and ripple the following clips over so there are no empty spaces left behind. This is especially helpful when you're cleaning up a rough cut, tightening pacing, or removing sections you no longer need. It saves a lot of manual dragging and keeps your timeline organized much faster. If you have multiple gaps, you can repeat this process for each one until your sequence is tight and clean. Now, if you're trying to delete gaps and the option is grayed out or not working, there are a few things to check right away. First, make sure the timeline panel is active. Click anywhere inside the timeline so Premiere knows that's the area you're working in. If the program monitor or another panel is selected instead, keyboard shortcuts and edit options may not work correctly. Next, check whether any of your tracks are locked. If a video or audio track is locked, Premiere Pro may prevent certain editing actions, including deleting gaps. Look at the track headers on the left side of the timeline and make sure the locks are turned off for the tracks you want to edit. Another important thing to check is whether you're inside a nested sequence by mistake. If your clips are inside a nest, you may not be editing the timeline you think you are. Open the correct sequence and make sure you're working in the main timeline before trying to remove gaps. Once those settings are corrected, try Close Gap or Shift plus Delete again. In most cases, one of those quick fixes will solve the problem immediately. So to recap, if you only need to remove one empty space, right-click the gap and choose Close Gap. If you want a faster workflow for multiple gaps, select the empty space and use Shift plus Delete for Ripple Delete. And if the option is grayed out, check the timeline panel, track locks, and whether you're in the right sequence. If this Premiere Pro tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more editing guides, and let me know in the comments what other Premiere Pro shortcuts you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.